everyone! Here's a shout out to all the dads out there. Father's Day is coming up, so today we will be cooking a huge 22-ounce prime French rib chop from Ideal Meat and Provisions. These chops have been aged for a minimum of 30 days prior to cutting, giving them a great tenderness and flavor. For our seasonings, we will use Lawry's seasoned salt, garlic powder, and fresh cracked pepper. I took the chop out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes ago to let it get to room temperature. All of the bone-in steaks and chops from Ideal Meat come with a protective bone guard to keep the integrity of the packaging. Make sure to remove it when opening the package. For a steak of this thickness, we are going to start on the barbecue and then finish in the oven. This allows us to sear and caramelize both sides and have a nice and even temperature in the middle. Now, let's preheat the oven to 280 degrees and start our barbecue. Now, let's season the chop. We're going to start with our seasoned salt. Put a nice and even layer. And then our garlic powder. And our fresh cracked pepper. Depending on your preferences, you can put as much or as little as you like. Go ahead and press the pepper into the steak. This makes sure it doesn't fall off. And go ahead and flip. We're now going to do the same thing on this side. Now that the barbecue is ready at a high temperature of 500 degrees, we are going to go ahead and place the chop on the grill for about 3 minutes. Now that the 3 minutes are done, we'll go ahead and turn the meat over to the other side and do the same thing. Look at those wonderful grill marks and caramelization. After searing for 3 minutes on each side, remove the chop from the barbecue and head over to the oven. We are using a mini rack, which allows the bottom of the meat to heat up evenly as opposed to putting it on a flat surface. Before placing the meat in the oven, I like to take my digital thermometer and push the probe as close to the center of the chop as I can. We will wait until we get to an internal temperature of 135 degrees for medium rare. Okay, we just hit 135. Let's pull it out and let it rest for about 10 minutes. We are going to cut the chop to see how it looks. This is perfect. Here you go, a perfectly cooked 22-ounce prime French rib chop from Ideal Meat and Provisions in Northridge, California, ready for your Father's Day.